Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Shape Stencils is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone looking to add precision and creativity to their crafting, art, or DIY projects, offering a simple yet effective way to achieve professional-looking results with ease, making them a must-have for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 5. Mr. Pen House Plan Interior Design Templates. Easily visualize your ideal living space with our comprehensive house plan templates. Perfect for architects and homeowners alike, these tools make planning simple. Bring your rooms to life with detailed furniture and layout templates. From kitchens to bedrooms, create perfect arrangements for any area. This set includes templates for house plans, furniture, and essential room layouts like kitchens and bathrooms. Get all the shapes you need in one package. Crafted from durable yet flexible plastic, these rulers offer precision with a 1/4-inch scale. They are ideal for detailed architectural work. Our house plan template features symbols for appliances, doors, plumbing, and more. Ensure every detail is accounted for in your design. The furniture template provides accurate outlines for living areas, dining rooms, bedrooms, and offices. Plan your furnishings with ease. Designed for architects, builders, and contractors, these sturdy templates are built to last. They are the perfect drafting tools for any project. What we like. This set is perfect for visualizing your dream home. It includes templates for furniture, rooms, and architectural symbols, making it ideal for anyone planning a renovation or new build. If you're an aspiring interior designer or a homeowner looking to map out your space, this is the tool for you. What people say. The paper behind the template is 9x12. These have been the most accurate and the most essential part to completing my projects for school and client presentation. Received exactly what I expected. These are well made with many different objects for your creative expression. The package is 13x812 and includes everything my sister needs in drawing her blueprints. The plastic is strong and appears to be quite durable, and each template is transparent so that one can see what one is working on without moving the template. Number 4. Learning Resources Primary Shapes Template Set. Discover a fun and engaging way to learn about shapes. This set provides relational examples in various sizes and orientations, making learning intuitive. Helps students make strong mental connections as they compare different shapes. It's a fantastic tool for developing spatial reasoning skills. Our templates support NCTM early learning standards for geometry and shape relations. You can be confident in the educational value. This set includes 5 durable, labeled, and translucent templates. You'll find a circle, triangle, rectangle, square, and hexagon. Designed for children aged 4 and up, these templates are ideal for both homeschool and classroom settings. It's a great addition to any learning environment. What we like. This set is designed to help young learners grasp fundamental geometry concepts. It provides shapes in various sizes and orientations, aiding in mental connections and supporting educational standards. If you're a parent or educator looking for a tool to introduce shapes and spatial reasoning to children aged 4 and up, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The stencils are made of sturdy plastic that holds up well to repeated use. The variety of shapes included in the set is excellent, offering many creative possibilities. The edges of the stencils are smooth and precise, allowing for clean lines and accurate drawings. Number 3. Karty Thick Shape Stencil Set with Case. Ignite your child's artistic talent with this fun shape stencil set. It includes 10 sturdy plastic templates in various shapes, perfect for hours of creative play and encouraging sharing. These stencils come in a rainbow of colors, making tracing and drawing an exciting activity for little ones. The durable plastic ensures easy handling and beautiful results every time. Turn learning about shapes and colors into an enjoyable experience. This set is also fantastic for teaching proper pencil grip and fostering a love for arts and crafts. Looking for a unique gift? These stencils are ideal for holidays, birthdays, or as a special reward. They are also a hit as classroom supplies or carnival prizes. Designed for toddlers and preschoolers aged 4 and above, this kit provides endless opportunities for educational and imaginative fun. We are confident you'll love this set. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll happily provide a replacement. Add to cart now and bring home a bundle of joy. What we like. This is a fun and engaging set for young artists. It features a wide array of colorful shapes made from sturdy plastic, perfect for tracing and drawing. If you're looking for a gift that sparks creativity and helps toddlers and preschoolers learn about shapes and colors while developing fine motor skills, this is a fantastic option. What people say. They're extremely thick and has different variety of size for the children to manipulate. Great quality, fun to use and durable. They are super sturdy. They are just shy of the thickness of 2 US quarters stacked. Perfect for little hands to create tons of shapes. The set has 10 different stencils. Each stencil is high-quality plastic and is in the shape of a circle, for example, and then contains smaller version of that shape within. These stencils helped with endless projects, and they come in a small plastic case, which is great for keeping them together. Number 2. Westcott T816 All-Purpose Technical Drawing Template. Introducing the Westcott T816 All-Purpose Technical Drawing Template. This versatile tool is designed to meet all your drafting and drawing needs with a wide range of geometric shapes. Achieve perfect circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and hexagons with ease. Its fractional measurements and labeled cutouts ensure precise, measured drawings without needing a scale ruler or compass. The translucent green design allows you to see through to the page, making it easy to position and draw your geometric shapes and arcs accurately. Crafted for convenience, this template ruler is smooth and durable, ensuring it won't break easily and will provide long-lasting use for all your projects. Beyond technical drawing, it's perfect for detail work, pattern making, and most crafting tasks. This multipurpose tool is a valuable addition to any toolkit. What we like. This template is a versatile tool for detailed technical drawings. It offers commonly used geometric shapes with fractional measurements for accuracy. If you need a reliable and durable template for drafting, design projects, or pattern making that ensures precise results, this is a great pick. What people say. The stencils are made of sturdy plastic that holds up well to repeated use. The variety of shapes included in the set is impressive, offering a wide range of design possibilities. The edges of the stencils are smooth and precise, allowing for clean lines and sharp details in drawings. Number 1. 15 PCS Geometric Stencils Drawing Templates. Unleash your creativity with this extensive drafting set. It includes everything you need for precise geometric drawings and designs. Inside the convenient carrying case, you'll find 11 versatile geometric drawing templates and a complete ruler set. This includes a protractor, 2 set squares, and a ruler for all your drafting needs. Explore a vast array of shapes, curves, and contours with these rulers. They come in a wide range of styles and sizes, perfect for quick sketches, detailed drafting, doodling, artwork, and design projects. The templates are incredibly clear, allowing for smooth tracing of shapes. You can easily draw through them, making your drafting process efficient and accurate. Crafted for durability, these measuring rulers are thicker and harder, ensuring they won't break easily. You'll appreciate the absence of rough edges, allowing pencils to glide smoothly for flawless results. What we like. This kit provides an extensive collection of geometric templates and essential drawing tools. It includes a wide range of shapes, curves, and rulers for various design projects. If you're a student, designer, or hobbyist who needs a complete set for sketching, drafting, and detailed artwork, this comprehensive package is ideal. What people say. The entire set is very thick and sturdy. It appears it will likely last for many years. Pretty much everything you could need for art or hobby drafting is in there. I've had no issues with inaccurate measurements or durability. The material is really sturdy and I was able to use with pencils and micron pens. It also came with a small ruler not listed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.